up guys, it's King Archer 13 and today as you can hear we have some equipment moving and it is because we're getting concrete in front of our shop door. Yeah, we're gonna do only 25 feet out from the doors. That way we can at least get a little bit of concrete until we figure out what we're gonna do for the rest of the whole road going up to the highway. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about the shop series so far. I'm trying to have a series of, you know, the build and stuff like that just outside of the ordinary truck stuff, but I want to make sure we also get some truck stuff as well. So let me know down in the comments below what y'all think so far. Anyways, I'm having Jody Russian with Triple R Concrete to do the concrete work, and well, they were supposed to bring in 2 loads of dirt today, but the dump trucks are tied up, so they're going to be here tomorrow. So I guess we'll have to wait till tomorrow to really see getting the dirt prepped and getting the boards formed and stuff. But this is at least the beginning to this video. Alright y'all, it's been a few days, so check it out. Here is the concrete coming out in front of the bay doors, and it looks really good. I'm very, very pleased with the quality of work that Jody and his crew did. So yeah, it's got a 6-inch fall from where the doors are to down here. That way, rain coming off the tin up there, and then just rain, surface water can run off the concrete there. And if we ever, you know, wash a truck out here or something like that, you know, there'll be plenty of fall for water to run off. But anyways, yeah, this is how the concrete turned out. It turned out really, really good. Oh yeah, there's the dually flexing a little bit. Not really, actually. I just drove up on the dirt there. That's as much off-road as it gets now. Also, I forgot to mention what we did over here with the valve box here going into the building. Brought that up about a foot. That way, maybe later on I'll put a little flower bed or something like that. Phase 2, whenever, will be us being able to put a sidewalk here to connect to the front porch. That way we can always just make sure we have walking access to the building there. But anyways, for now, this is gonna be the end of the video. Thank y'all so much for watching. A lot of cool stuff coming down the pipe, and huge shout out to my editor for pumping out videos so often. So hopefully y'all are enjoying it. Please let me know down in the comments below how you think my editor is doing, and how we're doing on releasing videos and what types of videos. I know we haven't been able to do anything really crazy here lately just because we're still working on finishing inside the shop. So I've been working freaking hours on hours, work and with family and all that kind of stuff going on. Like, I'm still working a lot after hours that y'all don't see off camera to make sure that this happens. So hopefully y'all appreciate it. But anyways, I would appreciate y'all if y'all make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe, because I think there's a statistic I looked on my analytics about like 70% of y'all aren't actually subscribed. So if you haven't already, subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Well, I guess until next time guys, hopefully y'all like the concrete. Take care guys, bye.